welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we're here with another lunch break workout, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of cardio, but don't worry, you don't need any equipment. We are going to be standing the entire time, and this is low impact, so you can even do this on your lunch break. And if y'all are ready, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are going to begin by walking in place here for a minute. This is our warm-up here, just a little bit of a warm-up. Getting our legs moving our arms. This will help you to get towards your step goal of the day as well. If you guys have a step goal, I do. 10,000 steps a day. So we are just doing a little bit of a warm-up here. Just a little simple warm-up. You can do this walking in place here. Anytime, any place. You can even do this in your work clothes, because we're not going to be doing any super intense cardio today, just some little light cardio to get our body moving, get our heart pumping, and burn some extra calories. So let's go. Keep walking in place. Here we go. March it out. So this is our warm-up here. Just less than a minute to go. Y'all got this. Keep moving those arms. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we're going to be doing some high knees, but we're not jumping with it. If y'all want to add the jump, feel free to do so. But because this is on our lunch break, we're keeping this low impact. So you can do this in your work clothes. We're not getting super sweaty here in case y'all are on your lunch break. You gotta go back to work. You don't wanna be super sweaty. So bring that knee up and up and up. Bringing that knee up as high as you can. Some of y'all might be in some work clothes, so just bringing it up just a little bit if y'all can. Those of you who can bring your knee up higher, feel free to do so. Keep on bringing it up and up and up. We have just less than a minute of this to go. This is a great move also for beginners to work on your high knees. And as y'all build up, eventually y'all be able to do that jump with it as well. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we're moving into butt kicks, but we're not jumping with it. So as you can see, my heel is coming up. It is kicking my butt here. Kick, kick, kick. We have less than a minute of this to go. So keep on kicking up and up and up. This is getting your heart rate up, as well as working on a little bit of your quad muscle here and those glutes as well. So kick up, 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 up. You can move your arms with it if you want to. We're getting that cardio in today. Keep it going. Butt kick, butt kick, butt kick. Y'all got this. Keep it up. I'm so proud of y'all for joining this workout with me here. We're getting our heart rate up, burning some calories here, getting a good little workout in. Keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we're going to be doing some skater walks. So we're walking here, walk it out. Skaters here, but we're walking, we're not jumping. Once again, if y'all want to add that jump in, feel free to do so. But the rest of us will just be walking it out here with our skaters. Walk and walk, and to the side, to the side, to the side. Y'all got this. Y'all are doing great. So you really don't need much room to do this whole workout video. Just a little bubble around you, and you can do it. We don't need any equipment, so you can do this anytime, anywhere, any place. I love those no equipment workout videos. They're great. Keep going to the side, to the side, to the side. Y'all got this. And after this, we just have a little bit of a cool down. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, straight into that cool down. 1 minute. We're just marching it out again. Keep it up. Y'all got this. And after this means that we are done with this workout. If y'all want to repeat it, feel free to do so. If not, you're totally good. And remember, I do have a playlist with other cardio workout videos. If y'all feel inclined to check it out, it is just under the playlist tab on my channel. And just keep marching it out. We're almost done, y'all. Stick with it here. And march, 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 march. Y'all got this. Keep up the great work. Keep it moving here. We're almost done. Don't stop now. Y'all are doing a great job. Step, 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 step. Marching it out. Here we go. Keep it moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I am proud of all of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you are not a subscriber. And be sure to leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from all of y'all. And I look forward to seeing y'all on Friday for my Zumba workout dance video. Have a great day. Bye.